Hello, this is Handy Tips, and I would like to review a few adjustable slip joint, channel locks, whatever you want to call them, adjustable pliers. So both channel locks. This is a Milwaukee. Honestly, the only feature that I like is right here. In my opinion, the rest didn't work for me very well. This feature I like. And what do we got here? Knipex, something like that. 2.5 inches, looks like. Two and a half inches. Let me see. 2.5 inches. Look at this. Wow. By the way, have you ever pinched your finger with these channel locks? I did many times. Made from vanadium JK. Vanadium JK, I don't know. Very comfortable. Well, the first opinion. To compare it, I have only one comparison. And this stays right here. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.